Hey data professionals, my name is Santosh and in this video I will show you 5 do's and don'ts you should consider while building a Tableau dashboard. So here I am in my Tableau desktop version 2020.2. So the first tip is you should always use fixed rather than automatic. The reason is nowadays people use different screen sizes, and if you make it automatic and a person is using ultra wide monitor or something ultra wide screen, the dashboard looks weird. Okay. So the other thing also comes into factor is you can hard code the layout, and in this way whichever screen size is there, it will always show up the same size and with less errors. The second tip I want to show is to avoid nested calculations. What I mean to say is by referencing same calculated field multiple times within another calculation will result in performance issue. For example, here I am creating a sports swimming calculated field which I am referencing to an athlete swimmer calculated field. This will eventually create a performance issue, while the Tableau has to read sports calculation and then athlete calculation to compute athlete swimmer calculated field. So the third tip I want to share is convert multiple string calculations into a regex expression. Here I am having word search by athlete. I am using a contain by, so when I drag this particular calculated field, you see which are found and not found. And if I do the same with the regex match x function, it will do the same. But in the backend, everybody knows regex expressions work very fast in strings. So always use regex when it comes to string calculation as much as possible. The next tip I want to share is to create folders for calculated field. So the reason is to create a calculated field folder is while building a dashboard and improving the dashboard, you create so many calculated fields, and in this process the fields list goes on and on and it will be a messy thing. So always create a folder for calculated fields so that you don't mess up with so many fields at the end. So the last and the final tip I want to share with you guys is to always use fit image option whenever you drag and drop any image onto a Tableau dashboard. So the reason is fit image will expand it and help you to scale it properly. By default, when you drag a image, Tableau creates a container and the spacing, the outer padding for each one is 8. Always format it to 0 for both image and the container so that you can get a cleaner look, a full size image for the dashboard without any gaps. So that's it guys, these are the tips, 5 tips, or you can say 5 do's and don'ts while building a Tableau desktop. So do let me know what's your best practices. Comment below. If you find this video helpful, check down in the description to connect with me.